Thank you very much. So for the next 3 minutes, I'm calling the implementers in the room. So we are all talking about AI, and we'll do this afternoon. We just mentioned telemedicine now. So there are so many applications. It's really difficult to keep track of what exists, what works, and which tool you can use without reinventing the wheel or duplicating what someone has already built. And this question, of course, is not new. It's not just for AI. It's true for every digital health initiative. Every time you start a project, every time you struggle while implementing. So the problem is the noise, and finding those answers is hard because the knowledge is fragmented in report, in dashboard, in network, in someone's head. So we duplicate, we repeat mistake, and we lose time and resources. So this is the challenge that Implementum Digital Health Atlas is addressing. Implementum is an intelligence platform that turns fragmented digital health knowledge into actionable insights. Today we have 1,400 digital health projects from 133 countries. It's not just a database. It's not just to list what exists. It's really to help you understand who is doing what and where, what can be reused and what we can learn from that. So Implementum combine 3 pillars with standardized data, with real-world implementation experiences and AI-powered analysis to help users navigate this growing database. In the recent months, Implementum has been formally introduced into the Digital Health Atlas clinics through a collaboration of the World Health Organization and the Ministries of Health in several countries. And so the top-down part is moving, and there is a real need and interest to better document what exists and to really use this knowledge. So the most valuable knowledge doesn't sit at the top. It sits with you, the implementers. So you are the one who know where are the real struggles when we implement, what took twice time as planned, and what you wish you would like to know before starting deploying the project. So the knowledge is exactly what is missing, and without it, we are making decisions from top without really understanding and knowing what is happening at the bottom. So for this work, for these to work, we need the bottom part, the implementation part. We need like collective movement, collective intelligence. We need implementers, organization willing to share your project and your challenge. So the invitation is very simple. We have a booth as well. Alexi is waiting for you, my colleague. You can explore implementum.org and contribute your experience and give us feedback for better implementation and scale. Thank you.